Welcome to our guide on the typical process to inspect a weld using an AC yoke with black ink. In this video, we'll take you through the detailed steps to ensure accurate and thorough testing using an AC yoke. Start by pre-cleaning the component using a wire brush to remove any surface contaminants, follow up with a solvent rinse, and wipe using a lint-free cloth to eliminate dirt, oil or grease. Demagnetise the component using an AC yoke. Apply it across the weld, energise and drag the yoke along the length of the test area and a further 450 mm away. Check for residual magnetism, ensuring readings are below 10 Gauss to prevent magnetic interference. Agitate the contrast paint thoroughly and spray it evenly across the inspection area from a minimum distance of 300 mm. Use a minimum amount to achieve a contrasting background. Position the magnet perpendicular to the weld axis with a 150 mm pole spacing. Energise the yoke and spray ink between the poles, keep the yoke energised and inspect for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat the process every 80 mm along the weld until reaching the end, interpreting each area for discontinuities. Demagnetise the component again as previously outlined. Place the yoke parallel to the weld 30 mm from the toe. Energise for 5 to 10 seconds and spray ink between the poles, repeating every 80 mm along the weld, ensuring overlap of poles while inspecting for discontinuities. Once inspection is finished, clean the component using a solvent rinse. Wipe with a lint-free cloth and a wire brush to remove white paint and ink residue. Demagnetise the component again using an AC energised wiper brush. Apply across the weld, ensuring full coverage. Check for residual magnetism, ensuring readings are below 10 Gauss. Following these steps will ensure precise and reliable AC yoke testing results for your components. Thank you for watching.